Aloha. So one of the things that we haven't talked about recently is merging branches back into master. Master should always reflect the latest and greatest version of your code. And in a lot of our practice WODs, we've gone ahead and created branches in order to do work, and that's helped you to kind of easily go back to the initial state. But in the digits application, we're going to have actually 3 or maybe even 4 phases to development, and we always want to start from the master branch whenever we do one of these new phases. So it's important we have this Collection-1 branch that we've been working on thus far. We want to merge that back into master so that when we start digits 3, we create a branch off of master versus a branch off of Collection-1. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing to note is that we have been synchronizing our code, our branches, so that when you look on GitHub, which is right here, okay, and let me click through. So from the home page of digits, you can see we have a collection branch. It's listed here. And also, if we go to the graphs page and then click on network, we can see that we have our master branch here, and then we've created a branch called Collection-1 off of that, but the Collection-1 branch has not been merged back into master. So that's what we want to do right now, both locally within in our local repo, as well as globally on the GitHub repo. Okay, so the way to do that is pretty simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to switch back to the master branch, and then once we're there, we'll go to the end, and we'll say compare to Collection-1. Okay, and now that we've compared to Collection-1, what we can do is go to the branch, and we can say merge into master. And merge Collection-1. Okay, so we say merge from Collection-1 and then merge into master. So we click this button. Okay, and now we've merged the branch, and you can see that that's now happened. Collection-1 has gone into master. So if we now go commit to master, actually it's already been committed to master. So the final thing that we have to do is just sync the state of our local repo, which has Collection-1 merged into master, with the global repo. And so we can do that by clicking this button here. So now we've synchronized, and now if we go back to GitHub and we just refresh this, what we now see is that our Collection-1 branch has been merged back into master. And so from now on, when we go on to the next segment of the digits development process, we'll create a branch starting off of the master branch versus off the Collection-1 branch, because now this master branch contains all of our work from Collection-1.